Hey guys, in this video, let's see how to replace an internal hard disk in an all-in-one PC. Here I have an HP all-in-one PC. So first let's unscrew it. So there are only two screws. These screws won't fully come out, so you have to unscrew it to the maximum. Once you've unscrewed it, use a credit card and insert it in the gap and just push it forward, so releasing all the locks. Once you've done it, just pull it open. So this part is the hard disk, so you just have one screw here. So just unscrew it, pull it backwards and just detach it. It's slightly difficult, be tight. So there comes your hard disk. You have totally 4 screws just holding the hard disk, so you have to remove it. Once you have removed all the screws, just pull it open. This is my new hard disk. Insert it in. And tighten it with the screws. And just push it forward so it gets locked. So tighten the screws and you can close it. That's it.